Here's how to safely remove the ear tips from your AirPods Pro. First, hold one AirPod firmly by the white stem. Avoid squeezing the speaker mesh. Now grip the silicone ear tip close to its base. Are you not comfortable? Then use a dry cotton cloth to grip the silicone ear tip. Pull the ear tip straight away from the AirPod with a gentle but firm pull. Don't twist it too much. You may hear a small click when it comes off. That's completely normal. Repeat the same steps for the other AirPod. To attach the ear tip again, align it with the oval connector on the AirPod. Press it straight in until you hear or feel a click. That click confirms the ear tip is securely attached. To make sure it's installed correctly, gently tug on the ear tip. It shouldn't come off easily. If you're replacing the ear tips, choose the correct size. Apple includes extra small, small, medium, and large ear tips with most AirPods Pro models. After installing the new ear tips, open Settings, tap your AirPods, and run the ear tip fit test to make sure you get the best seal and sound quality. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like this video and subscribe for more AirPods tips and tricks.